guys, it's Kiki, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to improve handwriting with 13 simple tricks and how I improved my handwriting. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. The first trick is to use lined paper. Instead of using plain white paper, use lined paper because it helps you write straight and also helps you size everything better. I like to use 7mm or 8mm lined paper, so experiment with the sizes and find one you like. The second trick is to write with paper underneath. If you are using loose sheets of paper to write on, place a couple of pieces of paper underneath or a whole notebook so that your pen, pencil or pacer can glide smoothly along the page. The third trick is to experiment with the angle you place your paper. So many people write with the paper directly in front of them, but if you actually experiment with the angle of the paper, you may find that you can write super neatly. Even though in most of my videos I write with the paper completely straight, I find I write neater when I slant my paper to the left. The fourth hack is to find the right writing utensil. Figure out what writing utensil you want to use, a pen, pencil or pacer. Then find one that you feel most comfortable with and works for you. I always change my pens from time to time, but my current favorite is this Jetstream gel ink pen. The fifth hack is to experiment with how you hold your writing utensil. Everyone holds their pens differently, so experimenting with all the different ways might help you improve your handwriting by a lot. The sixth hack is don't grip too hard. This is a very common mistake, but luckily it has a very easy fix. Whenever you find yourself gripping hard on your pen or pressing down on the page hard, loosen your grip and massage your hands. Excessive gripping can lead to wobbly handwriting and painful hands. The seventh hack is to find inspiration. If you can't or haven't decided what you want your handwriting to look like, go through the internet to find other people's notes. Finding inspiration off the internet is a great way to help shape your handwriting. The eighth hack is to choose your font style. Once you have a few photos for inspiration, decide whether you want to write in print or cursive. Experiment with both styles until you decide which style you want. The ninth hack is to keep the lettering consistent. After you have decided your font style, write out every single letter of the alphabet. This is really important because no matter what your handwriting looks like, it will look neater when it is consistent. So writing all your letters out will help you keep everything looking the same. The 10th hack is to make sure there is a space between each letter. Always be mindful of the space between your letters. Make sure that they are never touching, but also make sure that they are pretty close to each other. This is a simple fix but is really effective in improving your handwriting. The 11th hack is to experiment with the sizing of your letters. Try writing everything really big, then really small, and then medium. Decide which looks the best and the easiest for you to do. I personally like to make my letters small to medium, but I have seen many people write large and it looks amazing. So the sizing of letters is something you should really explore. The 12th hack is to take it slow. At first, it is always going to be hard to write neat and fast. So take it slow and concentrate on each letter. Once you get the hang of it, you should be able to speed it up so you can write neatly but also quickly. The 13th hack is to practice, practice, and practice. Anytime you're writing, try to be as neat as possible. Like anything, without practice, you will never achieve neat handwriting. So don't lose motivation and practice whenever you can. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I would really appreciate it if you guys could let me know if you like shorter videos or longer, more detailed videos. So please comment down below or take the poll in the informations card. As always, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what video you would like me to do next. Bye guys, happy studying!